Hi, I'm Rob from MS Focus, the Multiple Sclerosis Foundation. I show people how to raise funds for individuals living with MS. Today, I'm going to show you how you can also raise funds for individuals living with MS. It's a very easy way to help others. It's an event in a box called Rise Up Against MS, and all you need is one thing, a balloon. Just blow it up and start bouncing. You can ask friends and family to pledge any amount for the number of times you bounce the balloon without letting it drop on the floor. They can pledge $1, 50 cents, or whatever works. You can do it without leaving your home, or you can do it from your office. It can be fun in a group or with just one other person.
Hey Rob, over here.
See how long you can bounce it back and forth. Use your phone, make a video, put it online and show your friends. You can even Facebook Live it, take pictures. More importantly, have fun and know that you're amazing because you're helping people rise up against MS.